In the gallery, the user can check the images and the annotations before starting the training. In the left menu, go to Training and click on Start New Training to train the model. Select First Training to train a model from scratch and click on Next. Training type should be selected from the options. If an object detection model will be trained, choose Detection. If the image set hasn't been split previously, it should be divided into a train set and a test set at this stage. After selecting the annotation set, click on Next. Verify the state distribution, then proceed by clicking Next. Detecting the optimal architecture for the training is done automatically. Settings can be reconfigured from advanced options if needed. Select from the provided options. Relinet Max provides a faster network configuration, and Relinet Medium can be chosen for a normal size network. Define a model name according to the use case, then click on Next. Load Defaults button allows the user to set the training parameters automatically. Additionally, the user has the option to manually input custom parameters. The user can select the tiling option to divide an image into smaller sections or tiles. This is useful for handling large images and improving data processing performance. The stratified tiling option temporarily uses class balance train, test splitting instead of random splitting. Synchronize the data before training by clicking on Synchronize button. When the data synchronization is done, click on the Start Training button. During the training, the user can check model loss and mean average precision plots in real time. The training process may run from a few minutes to several hours. Once the training has finished, click on Evaluation tab to see the training statistics, total number of images, accuracy, and mean average precision. MAP can be changed by moving the slider. The mispredicted images and their corresponding MAP scores are displayed in the table view. Own your AI with Reli Vision.